You can see the neighbors, this rain and the aerating and seeding and the fertilizer, the high bricks fertilizer. It's kind of bringing all this back to life now. I don't know if you can see my flags. I've got two 1,000 square foot areas. I'm testing out two new products right there. Kind of see what happens. Look at how fine it cuts that up. Man. Not sure if you can see that or not, but my goodness, that thing cuts some kind of clean. It's kind of what real mowers are known for, is cutting it close. And man, look at how clean that cut is. So I think it's pretty cool. Can't wait to get my motorized units. You're used to seeing me with big equipment, things that have motors on them, that kind of thing. This is kind of new. I'm a little underwhelmed by it, but it got the job done, and it's the cut on it's pretty good. Actually, it's really good. It can stand going over one more time. There's a few little sprigs here and there. This is roughly an inch right now, and I'm gonna probably let it dry up a little bit and come back out in a couple of days, and I'm gonna probably take it down to a 1/2 inch and see what happens with that. And that's really cool. I'm digging it. So hey, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies. And again, 2020, about July or so, we're gonna smoke off. No, actually, we'll do it before then, probably around June, because I want to get this graded and leveled out. I need plenty of time to put the irrigation in. We'll video that from start to finish. Probably won't get a lot of other videos except that one. Kind of cutting back on some of this, so I'll just focus on that one for next year in the summer, and kind of show you the detailed process start to finish. And all that's going to be real mode. So remember to comment, tell me what kind of motorized reel mower you like, and I'll check into it and see what I can come up with. But anyway, appreciate you watching, and I'll check you later.